Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
A humming noise from your range hood usually means the fan motor is working too hard or there's an issue with the blower. It could be clogged filters, loose parts, or worn-out motor bearings. Cleaning or replacing filters and tightening screws often solves the problem. If the noise continues, professional repair might be needed to prevent damage.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.